at whether they have got all the requirements. And then the party will announce those who have been given the party card. In case there are more than one person, for example, now we have Chotera woman MP. There is Lilian Imbabazi and Mrs. Baroja Naiga. So those will be asked to sit together and agree or disagree. When they cannot agree, then they will go into the primary, where the district constituency committee will vote. But the law says, the constitution of DP, I think Article 60 something, it says all those who wish to apply to hold the DP ticket at parliamentary level, they write to the National Executive Committee. Then the National Executive Committee looks at party interest and other things. It can say, out of the 5, we think only 1. It sends the name back to the district. Then eventually, the party will look at how they can. Last 2020, we gave over 100 MPs. The party paid the nomination fee of 3 million shillings. Posters and other things. We were not able to give everybody, but we gave some. We are planning to improve on that. We had over 100 who stood or got the license for MP. Now, here we are saying the MP will pay, when they return the forms, they will pay 200,000 shillings each. But I can as well say it may be free, because after you pay 200,000 and Vyavakama says 3 million and the party pays the 3 million, so you've basically another question.
Those who came here today, what's opposed? Is that the situation the other 30?
That is not true. What has taken place today, our vice president, who is a contestant for Bokono municipality, Fred Kajimu, and Kenneth Nsubuga, our deputy legal advisor, mobilized their areas to come here and receive forms with a vibe. Okay? But remember, the MPs were only 2. I have told you I already have 31. So the others are coming. Nobody is unopposed. You can say today they have picked forms. The unopposed will come when we close and there is nobody else who has picked. So as of now, there is nobody who can claim he has the DP ticket or is unopposed.
My final question. 35.
31 so far, plus the 2 today, 33.